Welcome back. We're going to harvest some potatoes. Penton and Javelin. We've done these in the 30 litre buckets. We did 3 tubers per bucket at different levels, and we've been in around 80 days. As you can see, they're all starting to die back now. These ones are actually worse. We've already had a couple of these, but they're done with now. I'm just going to get them harvested. We have got some of these in the ground as well, and they're still looking really healthy, so we're just going to leave them for a bit longer. So we're not expecting too much out of these, but we'll see. Oh. Actually, it looks like there's quite a few in this one. There's the seed. A lot of tiny ones in there. Where's the look in there? This bucket's a bit wet. I don't want to put them in there that's a bit wet. There, look. Actually quite a few on there. There's the seed. Not too bad them, to be fair. See what else we've got on there. Oh, there's a decent one. They're so a lot smaller than what I would like, but they are new potatoes. You're all in a clump because these go on one level, don't they? Input. Because some of them grow up and then some will just go on level, don't they? I can't remember what it's called.
So you've got determinate and indeterminate.
That's it. Yes, I couldn't remember.
I was trying to keep quiet, guys, because it's Emma's video.
Yeah, I know, but you can jump in sometimes, you know. So there's anything else in here. Don't think there's going to be anything else.
Well, I think so far from what we've seen this year, I mean, we haven't watered these a massive amount, but definitely from what we've seen, that's 3 potatoes in there.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's at least 2 or 3. I think I put 3 in.
Yeah, there was 3 in there.
Not even worth the time. Not worth the compost. Not worth the price of the bucket.
No. Or we could try putting 2 in instead of 3.
I don't think it will make much difference. Right, next bucket.
And I've already pulled the green one off out of one of them.
I can see a green one there as well. So I'm thinking next year in the ground.
See, the seed potato was actually rotten there. I mean, you'll get a couple of meals out with them, won't we? All you can ask for. We have had some of these and they were quite tasty potatoes, so it's a lot of potatoes, isn't it, of that one?
Tiny.
Last one, this has got a bit more growth on than that one. That's actually a bit better.
I kind of had a feeling because we watched a lot of videos last year, potato harvests in buckets, and
Yeah, we'll give it a go.
I never really seen any decent results, to be fair.
I definitely think I still prefer growing them in the ground, to be fair.
£3.50 a bucket. However much compost, 15 litres of compost, so a couple of quid's worth of compost per bucket. It's hardly worth the return on what potatoes we got.
But yeah, we'll give it a go. I mean, yes, it does save you back and it's less digging, but I'd rather put in that bit extra effort of digging out the trenches.
I wouldn't say it saves you back, like, because you're moving the buckets around all the time.
Well, we've only been moving them around because we've been changing stuff around. Last one, guys, let's have a look. I'm not even going to bother taking the tiny ones. Just nah, definitely say in the ground. I'm not happy with the harvest out there. I mean, we've got the Casablancas ones in quite a decent little harvest of them already. I mean, we get 2 or 3 meals out of that, to be fair. Make a nice little potato salad. Oh, there's one in there. I mean, I'll go through the soil properly. Oh, one more. Yeah. Oh. There we go. Have a look. It's not bad. Could be better. Yeah, I think that's about it done. Stick that in the compost bin. But there's our potato harvest, guys. Definitely wouldn't. Don't think I want to grow in buckets again.
Nah.
I'd rather risk getting a few stray potatoes the year after. And see you later, guys.